Hey Ellis, this is Pop, and I have a book I want to read to you. You have this book at your house, Five Little Monkeys Jumping on the Bed. It was bedtime, so five little monkeys took a bath. Five little monkeys put on their pajamas, and five little monkeys brushed their teeth. There they are taking a bath, putting on their pajamas, and then they brushed their teeth. Five little monkeys said goodnight to their mama. There they are, all tucked into bed. Don't you know that was a mess, huh? And there's mama. Then five little monkeys jumped on the bed. Look at this. Look at, they're having a gay old time, aren't they? Jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. So there we go. The mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, there's the doctor there, and the mama's calling saying he bumped his head. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. That's pretty good advice, huh? So that's what the doctor said, don't jump on the bed. So four little monkeys, there's only four left now, right? See? Boom, 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 boom. Somebody's missing over here. So they jumped on the bed. Here they go. The doctor said no more monkeys jumping on the bed. And the four of them did. One fell off and bumped his head. All right, so there's another one down. See him on the floor? Right there. The mama called the doctor, and the doctor said. So she calls the doctor again. The doctor says, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. All right. You don't do that, do you? When mama says don't do something, you don't do it, do you? Ah! So there are three little monkeys jumping on the bed. See? Instead of five, we're down to three. One fell off and bumped his head. He's on the floor. Boom. The mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. What do you think they're going to do? So there were two monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. The mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, can you guess what the doctor said? No more monkeys jumping on the bed. So one little monkey started to jump on the bed. No one's listening to the doctor or their mama. She fell off and bumped her head. Boom, there she goes on the floor. The mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Look at, they all have a bump on their head and a bandage on their head. So five little monkeys fell fast asleep. And Mama says, see, there they are. All have a bandage on their head because they bumped their heads on the floor, not doing what Mama said. And Mama says, wow, it's time for them to go to bed. Thank goodness. Well, it's nice talking to you. I hope you enjoy your little stories on your iPad. Bye now. Love you.